The lonely lioness, Kali, successfully brings down a zebra. But on the savannah, success is never unnoticed. It's not just the vultures circling overhead. The smell of blood draws in hyenas, and soon an entire clan appears behind them. One small mistake, and the hyenas could easily kill the unprotected cubs behind Kali. She tries to drive them away, but there are simply too many. This is a fight she cannot win. With fragile cubs at her back, Kali is forced to make a painful choice. She abandons the hard-earned kill. The hyena clan enjoys a feast. Meanwhile, Kali and her cubs are left hungry. A mother lion with starving cubs is one of the most dangerous animals on the plains. Ahead of her, a warthog catches her attention. A possible meal. Kali approaches, and the warthog doesn't back down. This won't be an easy hunt. When the warthog charges, Kali hesitates. She can survive a failed hunt, but she cannot afford an injury. In the wild, a single wound often means death, especially without a pride to rely on. She can't take that risk. The warthog walks away, unbothered. But Kali is running out of time. Her milk is nearly gone. Without food soon, her cubs may not survive the coming days.